Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm super excited about this video because it's my first ever Chanel unboxing video. And first ever Chanel item as well. So this is the item. So I went to Chanel Fifth Avenue store in Manhattan yesterday and got this item there. So they give you this beautiful Chanel paper bag and this cute bowl here that it says Chanel everywhere, so it's super cute. And let's take a look what's inside. Okay, this is it, and I also have this cute envelope with with receipt and a business card for the associate who helped me, because I'm looking for some other items that they don't have in stock. So he has my information on file and I'm waiting for a call whatever this item will be available. So it says Chanel here, and it's cute camellia flower here, and it's so very nice and soft. I so much like the packaging. Okay, so and this is the most exciting part, because this is the item that I got for myself yesterday. So this is super cute bow, and it says Chanel here, and let's take a look inside. Okay, so much like all this packaging. Let me put camera closer. Okay, so this is their care information, I believe. Yeah, so like the care information on all the different languages, and it says Chanel here, the logo. Okay, and this is the item I got. So I purchased the mini wallet. It's called Zip Coin Purse. Okay, and this is so soft and so much like this material. It's very soft, very nice, smooth, and it says Chanel here. And this is like a little dust bag for their wallet I got. So this is very good because you can keep all your items safe with all these cute dust bags. This dust bag looks like an item itself, not like a dust bag. Okay, so this is it. This is the wallet I got. Look at this, how cute it is. It's pebbled leather, so, and it's kind of look and feel indestructible, because as you can see it's very hard, like some, it's called boy style, I guess, because of this Chanel hardware, and this like all kind of antique gold hardware. And this is very good because it's really indestructible. You're not gonna see any scratches there, you're not gonna see like anything anywhere. So it's perfect, because I looked at other wallets, they had like silver Chanel like CC here, and it doesn't really look like forever item because it's gonna see scratches up there. But here, other way, you can see it's completely super safe, I guess. It's not indestructible, which I like so much, especially when you buy some product, that small product that cost like $600, you want it to be indestructible. Okay, so let's see. This is the tag. So this is the price tag and number of the item. So it's coin purse, and its number, as you can see here, it says N4711 red. So it's just for reference, in case if someone will want to buy exactly with this kind of wallet. So let's look inside. Okay, you have here authenticity card, which is super cool, and this is actually plastic. I know it's before like it was like paper one, but now it's plastic. So much like it. So authenticity card here with all these numbers on the other side, and here you have 1, 2, 3, like 3 slots for cards, and you could fit here literally up to like 7 cards, I guess. As for me, 7 cards gonna be easily put there. So it says here Chanel, and this one is made in Spain, so it has so much space inside. I mean, it's just so great. I would, for example, use this like middle one for ID kinda, and this two for credit cards. So, and this is gonna be just awesome. So, and this also as well about this item, the zipper is very durable. I mean, it's very nice stitching here, and it's very hard, and I so much like it. I saw different styles of this wallet, kind of super soft leather here, and all this material, like all this fabric over here, and it's super soft and like tiny, and it feels like any kind of card like this can make some, I don't know, maybe little holes in the time. So I didn't really want it, but I did enjoy to look for exactly this one because they had so many colors. It's like every pattern on blue, green, yellow, red, black, whatever. So first of all, I was thinking about to get it in black, like a classic one, but then I realized I have so many black items. I mean, I have black bags, I have Gucci in black, I have a lot of stuff in black, so I didn't want exactly this one to be black. So then I see it in my favorite color, which is this one. So I have so many items in this color. I mean, so many different items in this color, so that's why I kind of decided to get it in red, because this one is really like super nice red. It's glittery and I like it so much. Okay, so as for the price, I said it's 600 for this item, so I believe it's like they all range from 525 to 650 as I saw it, and I like, for some reason, only this one most of all of them, because it's very durable. It's good made hardware that cannot be seen, like that you wear it a lot of, like drop it in your bag and etc. So it's very nice, and the zipper made is very well. So boy style is like my favorite. So, and I decided to get it in red only because I don't have red items still. I'm thinking about to get the red bag, maybe Gucci or Yves Saint Laurent, but I decided why not to start my red collection with this wallet. And as well, I got Louis Vuitton Speedy 25 a couple days ago, and it has red inside, so I thought it was a sign that I need to get this in red. So in this way I'm gonna start my red collection. So I so much love this cute little wallet, and this actually just super perfect. I thought it's gonna be small, but it's not small at all. It has so much space in there, as you can see, and it can fit whatever, and even cash. So I watch a lot of videos before I went to the store to buy this particular kind of wallet. I was thinking about coin purse from Louis Vuitton as well, but decided to went this one because Louis Vuitton, it's a monogram, classy and stuff. Yes, I get it, but I have so many Louis Vuitton monogram items, and I don't have any of these kind of items. I mean, I don't have any Chanel item yet, so I decided let's start my collection with Chanel, but this one. I'm very glad that I bought exactly this red one. I so much in love in this color and this pattern and this boy style. Thank you so much for watching this video of me. Hope you enjoy unpacking this amazing Chanel wallet, zip coin purse, and subscribe below if you like my content, and I'm gonna post more videos soon. Thank you.